Today's lecture is about the design process and how it is used to develop innovative products. Companies say it's the best way to stay focused and on schedule. Our introduction this five-step process using the example of mobile phone development from an electronic company. First, in the design process is a defined state. The electronic company needs to define the idea for a better phone. What I mean by this is it need to figure out the problem with its or phone so that it could decide how to create its new product. So that company did market research to figure out the problem. The company discovered that people want more colorful phones. Excuse me, that come out wrong. What I mean to say was people want phones that were were were, were that were more unique. Ones that they feel a personal connection with. With that information, the company then moves on to the next step, the ideate stage. This is when a product developer start to come up with new ideas for products. They can also begin to think about how the new product will be marketed. The electronics company came up with a number of ideas and eventually decided to make it first more colorful to meet the need of consumer. Next comes the prototype stage. At this point, you don't have to create a fully functioning product to try out your idea. In other words, you can make a simple prototype that lets consumers see a new feature of product. In the case of the electronic company, instead of real or mobile phone is created small boxes in many different colors. It gave the boxes 2,000 of people and then asked which colors people want their phone to be. The company listened to the preference of its customers. The feedback stage. During this day, company gets to know its customer preference. That eating the customer like the feedback on the prototype for the electronic company. The product developers figures out which color people like most. Lastly, the developer stage. Here, the company used the feedback to design the product according to consumer preferences. This is when a company begins to actually make the product. This whole process can be repeated many times before a product is sold.